So, as we are beginning a webinar on e-invoicing, as I said, it's fitting to explain what e-invoicing actually is. And we're not just talking about PDF invoices being emailed into your inbox and then those being processed into whatever application that you use. E-invoicing is actually the process of creating, sending, and receiving invoices in a fully digital structured format without paper or PDFs. And the reason this has been introduced is because the governments of the land are looking to close the VAT gap and reduce fraud. They want to have real-time visibility of transactions and looking to modernize and digitize tax systems via VIDA, which is the EU's new VAT in the digital age reform. And in doing this, we're looking to improve efficiency, reduce costs for businesses, and enable smoother cross-border transactions across the EU. And this next slide shows things a little bit more clearly because, as you'll see, that we have here the traditional method of invoices that we receive, certainly here in the UK. Sometimes they do still arrive in paper form. Of course, most of us get PDFs that arrive on email. And for those that are in between, they will be scanning some of those invoices as well. But the last highlighted segment of that graphic there, the XML one, shows an XML invoice, which is effectively data encoded using a predefined schema and designed for automatic processing and validation, not human reading, so not decipherable by the human eye. Now, each country has its own version of XML invoice, but there is an important nuance there because they're not just designed completely from scratch. They're based on a common EU standard, and then they're adapted locally dependent upon the country. So in France, they have something called the Factor X, which is effectively a PDF with embedded XML, among some other formats. Germany has the X-Rectung and the Zugford. Italy has the Fattura. Poland has the KSF, so on and so forth. Each country has their own particular version of that XML invoice.